Tried and tested sa hiking man o kahit sa casual na lakad. Tunay na maaasahan talaga ang classic Sandugo sandal, ang SD1201. As the leader in the Philippine footwear industry, Sandugo sandals are known for two things. First is that matibay, sobrang tagal bago masira. Second is makapit. It is no stranger to Philippine mountains. Kahit anong terrain pa yan, kinakaya. Kaya naman isa sa bestsellers nila, itong SD1201. Adjust nyo lang yung sliders and buckles para snug yung fit sa inyong paa. Meron siyang impact-absorbing na midsole and topsole. Sa ilalim makikita nyo yung octopus rubber outsole. And you also have different colors na pwede nyong pagpilian. You should check the proper size chart sa Sandugo website. Or you can also see the how to size your foot video ng Sandugo for the proper sizing. Subok na rin talaga itong SD1201. Kaya naman even after all these years, tinutuloy pa rin ang